Hi guys, Ben here at Cook Motorcycles. So here we have a Ducati Scrambler Desert Sled. It's the 800cc, 2017. It's covered 7,000 miles. Really nice bike. It's got a great history. I think there's 5-6 stamps in the book. It's all detailed in the advert. Mostly Ducati history. Belts we've done in 22 at Ducati Cambridge. It's got some lovely extras. It's got custom painted side panels and fork guards. It's got EvoTech bobbins, Leo Vinci exhaust, bark busters, and it's got an EvoTech tail tidy and also EvoTech bash plate and cooler guards. So yeah, I'll give it a quick walk around, point any bits out that need mentioning. But the worst bit on the bike, I'll go straight to it, just on here, there's a little scuff on right on the beak of the mudguard. It's pretty minor, but it's there, so I'll point it out. Apart from that, it's really nice and clean. Wheels really nice and tidy. Hubs and forks really nice and clean. Tank. Very tidy. There's a little scratch just down here, very hard to make out, very minor, but it's there, so I'll point it out. Seat is perfect. Frame really clean. A slight little scuff just on the end of the bobbin there. Bit of aging to the pipe, but very minor. Casing's all real nice and clean. Exhaust cam is perfect. Again, rear wheel really nice and clean. Going round. Shock really nice and clean. Swing arm nice and tidy. This casing, just a little tiny little scuff just on the bottom there. Pretty minor, but it's there. EvoTech caliper guard as well. So yeah, 7,840 miles. So there you have it. Nice tidy bike, good history. Any questions, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks for watching.